Hello, sir. My name is Kavitaj. Let me explain about analysis five difference of group counselings. So the introduction. Group counseling defined as a dynamic interpersonal process focusing on conscious truth and behavior and involving the therapy function of cognitions, organization, and reality strategies and mutual trusting, caring, understanding, acceptance, and support. Sharing personal concern with peers, a counselor in a small group of the integration maintenance of therapy functions. For the five objectives, the first one is to enhance problem solving skills. The key point is members of counseling session interact with the people from different background and personality in the setting that is similar of society. This is it. Unadopted result in disagreements need to find a solution. People who stay in such an environment an extended period of time learn how to solve the problems. The second one is to understand problem and explore possible solution. The key part is group counseling is a better platform to deeply examine and issue that individual counseling. The third one is to increase openness in the group. The key point openness will be natural result of the feeling comfort, value, and empathy in the group. The fourth is to improve interpersonal relationships. The key point to improve client interpersonal relationships skills connection is also of the objective. The five is develop a self-awareness. The key point typical group counseling provides a platform for members to learn about themselves through the experience of others with the expectation of counseling groups members have training requirements. The importance of counseling. The first one is counseling groups create a support system of members. The key point, rather than just having to rely on your therapist and yourself for support as the intervention goes on group counseling give a community. The second one is group therapy gives a deeper understanding of member issues. In or on the one session with the counselor, you can only share the much information you have about your difficulties. This is this implies your therapy assessment of the problem will be impacted by your NFCC or articulate your thoughts and feelings clearly. The third one is group counseling is cause affected. The key point in general group therapy session they are less expensive than individual counseling session. This makes a sense as your therapist will have the same amount of the time spent with each client as they were working with only one. The fourth point key is therapy groups aid in self-discovery. The key point is you start to learn things about yourself that you never know as you almost forcefully have to relate it to the other members and share experience. For example, you can tell emotion that they do. Additionally, you all have a deep understanding of your personality and the reason behind your exchange. The five group counseling give each member new preferences. Okay, fine. Our experience and opinions shape the way we see the world. You can determine what you know from the what you have seen, heard. This covers all you are ever of above the challenges you are facing. Type of grouping counseling, which is PFF5, sir. First one is psychology education group, focus on providing information education about specific topics such as coping, management, anger management, or communication skill. Second is counseling groups. Counseling groups are like team of people who come together to talk their feelings, thought, and problem with help of a counselor. Three, psychotherapy groups, which groups on what the members and do right now help them work together to form strong community which they can freely their victory to stay back in a safe supportive environment. The fourth is process oriented groups. Process group concerned to examine and analyzing group dynamic, tools and emotion. The five is skill development group. These groups are designed to assist members in encouraging practical competition such as mindful exercise, skill, social skill training, or expertise training. Now we analyze the groups. First one, psycho-reduction groups. These groups are more learning and acquiring skills rather than deep expression personnel. The second, counseling groups. These groups are focused on providing support and guidance for individuals dealing with personal issues. They involve discussing feeling thoughts and problems with the help counselors. The third is psychotherapy groups. These groups aim to members to work through their challenge and form supportive community. Led by trained counselor, they focus on addressing current issues and fostering group sessions. The fourth is process-oriented groups. These groups focus on examination and analyzing group dynamic, thought, and emotion. The fifth is skill development groups. These groups aim to help participants acquire and attain specific ability to manage mental health issues. Now I choose the group is the best in our counseling. So I choose I will choose Psycho-session group are the best for individuals who want to learn specific skill or coping strategy for managing their mental health issues. These groups providing structured information, dedication for topics, stress management or communication skill. So counseling groups are benefit for individuals who are seeking support, want to learn specific skills or coping strategy for management their mental health. Psychostrategic groups are ideal if individuals are looking for deeper inspiration in resolution of personal challenge led by training therapists. These groups focus on personal growth, healing through group intention and support. The fourth is cross-orientation groups are helpful individuals who want to understand and work through their emotional interpersonal dynamic within a group setting. This group focus expanded individual experience and group interaction and gain insight and personal growth. Skills development groups are suitable individuals who want accurate exchange specific abilities for meaning mental health issues. These groups are provide sexual activity and access to practice skill mindful of interaction. Introduction. In my opinion, I would recommend catching the above the mention towards individual needs via what need to individuals themselves. But in all honesty, I would shoot for psychotherapy groups. because this because which is we choose a five main point is each which is comprehensive support, deep and exploration, group dynamics, health, communication, and last one is cause activations. So this group provide all a meaningful sir. So let me explain one by one. The comprehension suppose this group are provide a level of support or offering as a safe, supportive environment for members to share their experience. The second one, D for expression. So this one, psychotherapy group delves deeply into personal issues and understand emotional. The third one is group dynamic. Group dynamic play a crucial role in photographic groups, providing opportunity for members to learn each other. The fourth is healing community. Psychotherapy groups create a sense of community among members. The fourth is cause effect session. Compared to individual therapy, psychotherapy benefit uh, benefit shape of group members. So that's all, sir. So the conclusion is in conclusion, group counseling offer a multiple approach to addressing psychological concept of promoting well-being by bringing together individuals with experience or common goals. A counseling facility for mutual relation and quality problem solving. It provides a platform interpersonal learning where individuals can leverage relation partners, receive feedback, and develop a healthier base of relation to others. That's all, sir. Thank you so much.